welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. On today's video, I will be giving some updates to my family room. I did do a pre-fall video where I did some decor in my family room, but I had some updates to do. One of the main things was I bought some pillowcases for some pillows that weren't quite fitting the way I wanted them to. So I did receive the replacement pillowcases that I chose. So that is part of the updates that I will be doing in this room. So sit back, grab a glass or of wine or a mug of hot cocoa and get ready for this refresh video. Thanks for joining, and please do hit that subscribe button and like and notifications bell. Let's jump right into the video. So I am going to start off by first putting together this picture light that I purchased from Amazon about a month ago. I am just getting around to opening a few things that I've accumulated over some time, and I love the fact that you can charge these picture lights. You know, who wants to replace batteries? You know, their batteries will die so quickly. So I love that this is a rechargeable picture light. As you can see, that's a magnetic hold on the actual bracket and the light to keep that all together. You just simply take off the light and connect it to the charger to recharge it for future use. So love that. I went back and forth on if I was going to use screws to hang this on the wall, and you guys, I am eyeballing the center of the wall. I pretty frequently can get it as, you know, smack dead in the middle where I am trying to get the placement. So I think that it turned out okay. It looks to be in the middle to me, but I was just not in the mood to pull out just everything, the tape measure and the leveler and all of that. So I just winged it, and I did end up going with the screws. As you can see, I was looking for my double-sided tape that I picked up from Amazon that's really strong, but I just could not locate it. And I said, you know what, most likely I will put some kind of art piece on this wall, which the picture light will work just fine for. So having a more permanent position with the screws I thought would be just fine. So these are some beautiful fall flowers I picked up from Michael's. Beautiful stems. I love the richness of the colors. Of course, the colors are giving fall. These are by far my favorite ones, and these as well. They are all three so cute. So I am going to stuff this vase so that I can give those stems that I just showed some height. I don't want these stems to kind of sink down into the vase, so that was the purpose of stuffing it with some dish tiles that I had in storage. So I am just going to fill this vase with these pretty flowers. So I just inserted this clip from my prior video. It was a pre-fall family room decorating video. And these are the pillows I was speaking of. The bigger pillow with the cream pillow cover on it. That is a 26 by 26 insert with a 24 by 24. Actually, it was a 26 by 26 pillow cover. And as you can see, it was just way too baggy and not form-fitting. So I did send those back, and I ordered these pretty blue ones here. And again, those are the 26 by 26 inserts, the same ones, and the pillow covers are a 22 by 22. So I am going for a much snugger look, which I know that these will give. So even as I'm putting the insert inside of the cover, it's feeling nice and snug, so I know I'll get a better look. However, I will say that I should have ordered 24 by 24 because I feel like these pillow covers made the pillows look smaller, and you'll see that after I put both of them in the pillowcase and sit them on the couch and style them. Because I believe those pillows that are right there on the back of the couch that goes with the couch, I believe those might be like a 28 by 28. And those are 26 by 26 inserts, and they look so small. And I wanted to go for a bigger, grander look, per se, for this main color, this main blue color pillows. So I'm not sending them back. I'm kind of over it. As I mentioned in my even last year's fall video, I try to go with a non-traditional color. I like to do that. I do love traditional fall colors, but if a thought comes to mind to do a non-traditional color, I'll try it out. So last year was a terracotta color, and now I'm using, as you can see, the blue to bring out the blues in the rugs, and browns, creams, and taupes. So these brown kind of fur feel pillows I have had for so many years. I think I got them from Marshall's a long time ago, and I also have a throw to match, which I placed in that little throw basket. It's a basket full of throw blankets that you'll see near my fireplace. So that's where that is, and the remaining pillows I did use in my pre-fall video. So these beautiful stems that I picked up from Safeway, my local grocery store. Look at these, so cute. So these are made of a woven material, nice tall stems or picks. And the other cream colored ones are like a really sturdy material, like a wood material, I'll say. So what I'm going to do here is create like a tablescape centerpiece. I wanted to try and do something that did not give height. That's kind of a go-to to place your stems and your picks in a vase. So I said, let me try something different. Let me create something that's flat and wide and full. And of course, that gives fall. So I thought this was the perfect thing to use my Michael Aram tray as the base. And I'm just inserting my picks in my flower stems. As you can see, just kind of trying to place those to create a beautiful full look. And it came together really, really pretty. I think I might end up moving this to my formal living room. The formal dining room, which is connected to the formal living room. I think I'll place it on that table, to bring in that Thanksgiving fall vibe in there. But I like it here just for the video. But it's just not practical. We use this room a lot, and we need the space on the table. So it'll be here for the video, but I think I'll move it to my formal dining room table. So these cute little pleather pumpkins I did pick up at the 99-cent store. They are so stinking cute. And my daughter and her friend came by, and her friend knows that I am all about decor. She's like, look at these. She was so excited. She had the gray ones, and they were so super cute. And of course, I told her, hey, I've got some of those too. In the brown and the cream. So I let her know that they had those additional colors so that she can pick those up as well. So they are so cute. And these are just vase fillers. They're made out of wood. I picked these up from Home Goods. You've seen these in prior videos. So I'm just trying to fill in any holes. Now I am placing some garland on the fireplace. I've had this garland. I believe I picked it up last year. And it's just a really simple, pretty green garland with a few cream colored pumpkins throughout, and placing this flower, or they're not flowers, they're more of like a wood branch kind of look. Those arrangements in the corner there, this little tray, and those fillers of acorns I did pick up from the $5 bullseye section at Target. But I didn't end up placing those on the fireplace. I did place them on the bottom section of my coffee table, but I'm just trying to give this a fuller look, and finishing up just a few decor pieces on the fireplace. These pumpkins, the blue ones, they do light up. I did pick those up from the bullseye section at Target as well, and I just placed one of them in a cloche. So this is the finished look. That pumpkin pillow I've had I believe since the last year. I picked it up over at Home Goods. Love that pillow. And the taupe color pillow covers came from Amazon. I showed those in my prior video. The pumpkin over on the console table came from Home Goods. Those two brown vases came from Ross. I love the shape of them. I just wish they were a little bigger, but nonetheless, I really like them. As you can see, I made a little edit or modification to my centerpiece. I added a tiered kind of tray or dish and put a candle in the center just to raise it a little bit in the center. It was a little too flat, so I like that look better. And I love these stems together, the tan and the blues. So super cute. I did flip my painting that I painted here on the wall. I flipped it the other way around. And here's another look at the fireplace with the lights on and those cute little pumpkins. So stinking cute. I did throw in some blue stems over in that vase, as you can see, with those brown stems. And you can see at the lower level of the coffee table, that little brown acacia dish with those acorns are underneath there. And I put a little black and gold pumpkin candle over on the side table there by those candles. Those came from Target. Yeah, and so here's a final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you are enjoying getting your home ready for fall. I am. I love that time of year. I will say I was not in a rush for fall to come. I like to, slow down the seasons and time. My kids are growing up super fast. Time is going by, just too fast. I try to, enjoy the moment and not rush. 2023 is going so fast. We're almost to 2024, which is so crazy to me. This rug came from Wayfair, and I've had it for some time now. I love the blue color in the rug, so I was happy to pull that out. I hadn't pulled it out in a while, So I hope you enjoyed today's video, but before I go, I wanted to share a few items that I picked up at least almost a month ago that I forgot to share, but they are so stinking cute. Look at these glasses I got from TJ Maxx. So super cute, cocktail glass. Love the color, totally a fall color, so I will have to come up with something to entertain some folks and make some really good drinks in these. So I did buy 4 of them. So cute, so thick, and just really good materials. So they are glass, but they are so pretty. And I also picked up this cute kettle on clearance over at Home Goods quite a while back, and it's a watering can basically, but it is ceramic. So cute. Love the design and the shape of it, and I got it on clearance for $7, so always happy about a deal. And this super cute jug here, milk carton style. Isn't that cute? Acrylic milk carton container. So I will find something to put in this. The only thing I thought about so far was to add my water with lemons or limes, but that's about it. But thank you so much. That is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed everything in the video. Come back soon and I'll see you next time.